Hello guys, I'm Juliet, your property host. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Pinaglabanan, San Juan Townhouse. Ito ay hanggang 4th floor guys. So tignan po natin ang unit na ito. This is already ready for occupancy. So sold out na po ang karamihan. So may 9 units pa po tayong available guys. May elevator. Okay, elevator po ito guys. Then, ito po yung storage room. Then, pupunta na po tayo sa first floor. So, as of now guys, 42M po ito. Ready for occupancy. So, dito po sa second floor. Ito po yung living area. Then, ang ating dining area. And ito po yung ating toilet. And here, our kitchen. May built-in cabinets na po tayo sa ating kitchen, guys. Elevator natin. Then, punta po tayo sa third floor. So, dito po sa third floor, ito ang ating bedroom 1. Of course, with built-in cabinets. Then, meron po tayong balcony dito. Ayan. Then, nandyan po yung toilet and bath. Then, ito po ang ating master's bedroom. Then, ang ating mga built-in cabinets. And ito po yung ating toilet and bath. Then, akyat na po tayo sa 4th floor. Yan. So, dito po sa 4th floor, guys, dito pa rin yung ating elevator. Then, ang ating, yan, ating room. And, the toilet and bath. Then, ito rin po yung ating master's bedroom. Yan. Then, ang ating toilet and bath. Yan na. May built-in cabinets din. Okay. Then, ayan na po, mga kasamahan sa elevator. Okay guys, so for more information about this property, for the updated price, and guys, for site viewing, you may just message me in my Smart Viper WhatsApp 0919-996-3820.